We have now placed pins at our desired locations, and it's time for us to start adding information to each of our locations. I'm going to zoom in on Highlands Elementary here and click on that pin. You're going to notice some options here when this little bubble pops up. I have the option of plain text, rich text, or edit in HTML. You're going to probably want to stick to the plain text, rich text options. If you click on rich text, you're going to notice some options that'll pop up like bold, italics, underlined, bullets, and the options to insert picture, which we'll look at in another video. We're going to stay in this rich text format, and we're going to choose bullets. You'll notice the window to add information and to read information is very small. There'll be times when your teacher will ask you to write a paragraph or a paper that explains information about a particular topic. This is not one of those times. If you have a little pin like this, what your readers are going to be looking for is some quick information about the particular location. So you want to provide factual information in a brief way. Bullets are a great way to do that. To create bullets, you simply click that bullets button, and now you have some decisions to make. You can probably think of or find hundreds of facts about any given location, but you're going to need to use your life skill of common sense to decide what is important that I want my reader to know about that location. And you're going to need to decide against number of facts versus importance. So for example, if I am at Highlands Elementary, I have to decide what would I want people to know about Highlands Elementary. I could have a great place to learn, but that's my opinion. That's not necessarily a fact about Highlands. An important fact for Highlands might be the number of students that are here. So I'll add 550 students enrolled. Notice that I didn't use complete sentences here. I simply added the factual information using the correct spelling and capital letters and things like that, but I didn't use complete sentences. So I have 550 students enrolled. If I click enter, another bullet point will pop up. It's important, I think, for people to know that there are two programs at Highlands: Discovery and CP. Probably not the place to explain the differences between those two programs. There's just not enough space. I'm going to add a third bullet here, and that talks about maybe the learning that goes on here at Highlands. And I'm going to write cooperative learning and life skills are taught. I think that's important for people to know. You're going to notice my space here is starting to fill up. I would think about 3 to 5 bullet points is as much as you want to have. 1 is probably not enough, and if you start getting into 10, it's going to be a little bit long. Shoot for those 3 to 5 that are what you consider to be the most important facts you want somebody to know about that particular location.